In this module, we discussed how to secure your data on GCP. Here are some of the key points to take away from this section. You can control who has access to your cloud storage buckets and objects, as well as what level of access they have. Members can be granted access to cloud storage at the organization, folder, project, or bucket level. There are many predefined roles that are related to cloud storage. Storage object admin role, storage object creator role, and storage object viewer role. Access control lists, or ACLs, are a mechanism you can use to define who has access to individual buckets and objects, as well as what level of access they have. In cloud storage, administrative operations that modify the configuration or metadata of a bucket or object are logged automatically. Data access operations that modify objects or read a project, bucket, or object is not recorded by default and must be configured. All logs can be viewed in Stackdriver logging and analyzed in BigQuery. Signed URLs and signed policy documents give limited time permissions. Signed URLs provide a way to give time-limited read or write access to anyone in possession of the URL, even if they don't have a Google account. Signed policy documents specify what can be uploaded to a bucket with a form post. BigQuery uses Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to manage access to resources. Permissions are granted at the dataset level. Tables, rows, and columns are child resources of the dataset. BigQuery IAM roles include admin, data owner, data editor, data viewer, job editor, and user. Do not use any personally identifiable information as bucket or object names. Remember, object names and bucket names will appear in URLs. If you need to make content available securely to users who don't have Google accounts, use signed URLs. Assign lifecycle management rules to a bucket to automatically downgrade or delete data. I hope this module has given you some helpful information for securing your cloud data. See you again in the next module, protecting against DDoS.